Are you looking for a practical yet stylish diaper bag? Meet the HABOPET Diaper Bag Backpack. This backpack is designed with busy parents in mind, featuring ample space and thoughtful compartments. The bag is made from high-quality, waterproof Oxford fabric designed to withstand the daily wear and tear. Plus, with reinforced stitching, this bag is built to last. The generous size and smart organization make it easy to store all baby essentials and keep them easily accessible, especially when you're on the go. Accessing your items is a breeze with the U-shaped zipper. Not only does it provide quick access, but it also acts as an anti-theft feature to keep your belongings safe. Versatile by design, this diaper bag can adapt to your needs, whether you prefer carrying it on your back, as a tote, or hanging it on your stroller. Don't just take our word for it. With a remarkable rating and countless positive reviews, it's clear this diaper bag is a favorite among parents. Ready to enhance your parenting game? Grab your HABOPET Diaper Bag Backpack by clicking the link below and subscribe for more reviews and tips.